Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone audible now, right? And today onwards, I'm going to be starting front end different kind of libraries. So this particular playlist is going to be master in front end. See, whenever you want to master in front end, basically front end part, basically we will be having three things. One is HTML, one is CSS, one is JavaScript. We know this. But coming to the HTML, there are some other kind of versions like HTML 4 and 5. In the part of CSS, there are some different kind of versions like CSS2, CSS3, and there is a kind of concept called Flexbox. Okay, so we will be having the Flexbox, we will be having the Tailwind CSS, and we will be having something like a SAS. All these things we have to discuss about. There are multiple kind of libraries which are going to be available in CSS. We will try to understand each and every topic according to the CSS, and we will try to learn different kind of other kind of frameworks like Bootstrap also with the CSS. Okay, so and how to work with the responsive web. There are multiple kind of features which are going to be discussing about CSS. And coming to the JavaScript, in part of the JavaScript, so the famous libraries React, we will be having React, and we will be having Angular, we will be having the Vue.js, and there are some other JavaScript libraries also which are going to be highly demanding in the market. But I'm trying to make you people from this playlist master in the part of the front end. So if you follow this particular playlist, you become a master in particular front end part, and it will take time. It's not immediate course. Completely like 400 or 500 videos I'm going to be uploading in this particular playlist. Like 400 plus may go like 500 also. Just want to cover with the multiple kind of technical skills, multiple kind of environments I want to touch. But so this is something like a master and front end part, and later you can follow another playlist for the backend part also. There are multiple kind of backend playlist I will create, like one playlist for Java, one playlist for Python related, one playlist for ASP.NET, and one playlist for PHP. So that should be also there in the same channel. But this particular playlist, which is going to be available master in the part of the front end, follow you follow all the videos day by day what I upload, definitely you be successful. And if you master in the part of the front end, at least you will be getting 8 to 10 LPA. This is the package what you can expect after this particular playlist. Okay, just follow this, and I will upload these particular videos in Telugu also. People are actually asking Telugu videos also from me. Okay, so that is fine. So later I will plan about the Telugu related things, but right now I will try to prepare a playlist in the part of the English. Okay, so thank you. Do subscribe the channel for updates, and like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. And this playlist is going to be a very big playlist in 2024. At least I need to upload 400 to 500 plus videos on this particular playlist. Bye bye.